Most traders lose money not because Forex doesn't work, but because they trust the wrong systems and chase big profits instead of consistent results. Warning: don't trust every Forex robot you see online. Before we continue, subscribe to this channel for real trading education. Join my Telegram link in description for live updates and guidance. My WhatsApp contact is also in the description. If you are serious and want to learn or use my system, this channel is about education, discipline, and real trading systems, not fake lifestyle hype. Part 1: The truth about fake Forex robots. The Forex industry is full of fake EAs and fake promises. Red flags you must avoid. Robots sold without guidance. No risk management explanation. Only screenshots, no logic. Sellers showing cars, not systems. No support after payment. Most fake robots overtrade, use dangerous strategies, blow accounts quietly, work only on demo, and when the account blows, the seller disappears. This is why 90% of traders fail. They buy hope, not knowledge. Part 2: What a real Forex robot should be. A real trading system is not magic. It is logic, risk management, discipline, guidance. A professional robot must have stop loss and take profit, capital protection, adjustable risk, clear rules, works on PC or VPS, education included. That's why with RichFreedom Max Pro and Market Master Pro Indicator, you don't just buy a robot, you receive PDF guides, live sessions, and step-by-step support. Because a robot without knowledge is dangerous. Part 3: Trader psychology. Why most people fail. Let's be honest. Most traders want fast money, 100% profit every day. Luxury lifestyle proof, no patience. But successful traders think differently. They focus on consistency, risk control, capital protection, long-term growth. Looking at luxury life is not bad. It can motivate you, but understand this truth. Every success you see has pain, patience, and discipline behind it. Nobody shows the losses, the waiting, the learning, the emotional control. If you don't accept the pain, you'll never reach the lifestyle. Part 4: How my robot and indicator work. RichFreedom Max Pro, fully automated, smart SL, TP, trailing stop, break even, trades with logic, not emotion, protects capital, MT5 compatible, Market Master Pro Indicator, trend confirmation, entry filtering, market structure clarity, helps manual traders learn. Together, this system helps traders avoid emotional trading, trade with structure, learn while trading, build discipline, and most importantly, you are not left alone. Part 5: Guidance and discipline matter more than tools. Many people think, just give me the robot. That's the wrong mindset. The real secret is learning, discipline, patience, Risk management. Even if you trade manually, don't give up. If you have a good system, proper risk, discipline, something good is coming. Consistency always wins. Forex is not gambling, it is a business. If you're tired of fake bots, fake promises, and blown accounts, focus on education, consistency, discipline, real systems. Subscribe to this channel. Join my Telegram, link in description. Contact me on WhatsApp if you're serious. Never give up. Keep learning. Keep improving. Your time will come.
Financial liberation through automated execution. While the world is sleeping, rich freedom never rests. Taking every opportunity, only trading the best. 1% risk management, protecting what you own. Stop loss discipline, letting winners be